Hi, I'm Kelly and this is my frilly apron as chosen by my husband. I have quite a number of frilly aprons and I asked him to choose a colour for me today and he went for the black and white. I especially love frilly aprons because they remind me of my grandma. Now let's get started. Today we are making ice cream from scratch. We start by making a creme anglaise. I've added orange and honey to my mixture. Eggs, sugar, vanilla sugar, beat, and then temper that egg mixture with that warm milk and cream. You don't want scrambled eggs after all. Back into the pot over low heat, I've added some cinnamon into mine till it reaches just over 80 degrees and then cool it over an ice bath before placing that into the fridge overnight and then into the ice cream churner the next day. I'm also going to add some quince jelly and quince jam into mine, and then into the freezer it goes again. Enjoy!